I am going to explain the procedure to establish the definite integral to calculate the area of a region of a plane. And in order to calculate this, we're going to divide appropriately this region and then calculate the area of one part of this region, and then add up for all the parts. Okay, the first step is identify the region, complete region. So we need to point it out so that we know which is the region of which we want to calculate the area. The second step is to give a mathematical name to this region and to the number that we want to calculate. And in this case, since this is the area of this region, I am going to assign an A. The third step is divide the region appropriately, and it means in such a way that I can calculate for each part the area of this region. And this is the correct way to divide it from A to B, dividing an infinite number of intervals, all of the same size. And now I am going to give a mathematical name to the region of this part, and the mathematical name will be dA. So this is a differential of area. And now I want to calculate the area of this part. The area of all the region will be the sum of all the dA's. So I'm gonna write A equals the definite integral from A to B of all the differentials of area. And in order to calculate the exact value of the differential of area, this is the area of a trapezoid, and I use the formula in order to calculate this area. And instead of f of x plus dx, I use a fundamental idea, and the idea is that f of x plus dx is the same as f of x plus the derivative of x evaluated at the point x times the increment in x. And then I just simplify this expression. F of x plus f of x is 2 times f of x plus the derivative of f evaluated in x times dx, and 2 over 2 is 1, and in this case is 1/2 of f prime dx, and then multiply all by dx, f of x times dx, and then 1/2 of f prime of x times the square of dx. But since dx is infinitely small, dx squared is infinitely small compared to dx, so I may cancel this term, and I get, as the differential of area is f of x times dx. In words, it says the area of the rectangle is the same as the area of the trapezoid for infinitely small height of the trapezoid. Then instead of writing the area of the region as the sum of all the differentials of area from A to B, I will write this is the sum of f of x times dx. And if you know which is this function, then you can calculate the area, and that's it. Who has no questions?